Sir, worksheet, sir.
So I told you to try the worksheet. Did you try? Did you try?
No, sir.
Not a single question.
No, sir.
So you can read now. Kazi Jawad, read the first question.
Okay, sir. Ready. Which term is the number of which term is the number of quests of wave passing a point per second?
So which one is the answer? What do you think?
Wavelength or frequency, sir?
Okay.
D or B, I think. B or D.
Okay.
I
Either
think it would
frequency.
be D.
Okay. So we are going to other students. Farabi. Hello, Farabi. Farabi.
Sir, I have to go with B, sir.
Yeah, Farabi. Where is Farabi?
Yes, sir.
Farabi, did
Yes,
you watch
sir.
the recordings?
Yes, sir.
The classes you missed, you should check out the recordings. Then you can understand everything. So what is your answer, Farabi, this one?
Sir, B frequency.
Frequency. Okay. You are correct. Farabi, Muhammad Saad, and Qazi Jawad also partially correct that he told that either B or D. So Qazi Jawad, it is number of crest per second. That means crest is the part of wave, right? Crest is the part of cycle, complete cycle. So if crest is going, that means a wave is going, right?
Yes, sir.
So per second, when you are getting per second, that means it's related to frequency. Yeah? In wavelength, we got only,
Okay, sir.
in wavelength, we only got the distance, right? But if it is related to per second, then it is related to frequency. Can you remember the definition of frequency?
Sir, I have a question, sir.
Sir, I think so.
Yeah, wait. Let Jawad say the definition of frequency. This note we gave in class and you were present. I hope it's written in your copy. Qazi Jawad. What is the definition of frequency? Number of complete waves every second, right? Or per unit time. That is called frequency. So here we are getting every second or per second. That's why it is frequency. So the answer is B. For question 1, the answer is B. Frequency. Is it clear? Everyone take the notes in your copy. Eh? Take the notes in your copy. Now, Muhammad Saad, your question.
Yes.
Muhammad Saad, get ready.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I was asking that, sir, what about the speed, sir? The speed is also in seconds, meter per second.
Okay, speed is the distance over per second, right? But they are saying crest
Yes, sir.
over per second, okay, which is similar to number of complete waves per second or number of uh, oscillations per second. That is also related to crest trough, right? Isn't it? But distance, if it is distance over per second, then it is speed. Now is it clear? Hello?
Yes, sir. Now it is clear, sir.
Aisha, Faiza, thank you for joining. Faiza. Hello, Faiza. Please keep your audio on, everyone, so that when I ask you, you can answer. Qazi Jawad, can you read question number 2?
Question number what's a 2? A
Yes.
wave is traveling in water in glassite tank. The diagram shows a C view of the wave at one constant and one constant instant. Sorry. What are the amplitude and wavelength of the amplitude
Wave.
and the wavelength of the wave?
Yes, you know what is called wavelength and you know what is called amplitude. So from that idea, now you have to find the magnitude of amplitude and wavelength, the value of uh, amplitude and wavelength. So other students also you think, uh, beside Kazi Zawad, all other students you should also think, get the answer. Yeah, Kazi, you got? Hello?
No, sir.
So
Let
are
me.
you trying? What is the
Yes, sir.
definition of
Trying.
amplitude?
So I don't remember. I'm seeing it in the copy.
Yeah,
I'm
see
finding
it.
it.
And also we uploaded the notes in Google Classroom. You download it and preserve in your computer. Okay, that will also help
So
you.
I think I was not in that class. I think the amplitude one.
You are
Sir,
only
should I,
on,
sir,
you are
should I
absent
answer this, sir?
only one class. I so far I can remember, and you
But
should
sir, I
read
don't
it.
have that note. Amplitude one.
Hmm.
Wait,
So
sir.
Aisha, you can say what is the answer of amplitude? How much is the amplitude? Hmm?
Sir, should I answer, sir?
Yes, you can answer. I know. Before going to you, I want to go to my other dearest students. Uh, they are also taking part in class, right? What about Farabi and Faiza? You can answer. Hmm? What is what is your idea, Farabi? How much is the amplitude and how much is the wavelength? Can you say, Farabi? Okay, first we have to know what is called amplitude. What is called amplitude? Tell me what is called amplitude, Faiza. So it is wave, right? This one is showing you the wave. So the middle line, you see dotted lines in the middle, it is showing you the rest position. So you draw now. You draw now in your copy, everyone. I know Saad is ready with the answer. Saad, can you tell me the answer? Then I will explain.
Yes, sir. The answer is, sir, B, sir.
Yes, your answer is correct. And how it is B? I'm showing
Sir,
you
4
everyone.
centimeter.
Yeah,
Yes, sir,
everyone
amplitude.
take these notes. You draw this wave. Now you take the notes. Look, I am showing you these
Sir,
two.
do I need to draw, sir?
Yes, you also draw. It will be a
Oh,
good practice for you. Question 2, MCQ
okay,
2.
sir.
These two both are amplitude. Okay, are you drawing? If you are not drawing, tomorrow again you will say, sir, I was not present or I was not taking notes. Now you do.
Yes,
And
sir.
and here we are getting another one. Why we are saying it amplitude? Look, this dotted lines. I told you this is rest position. Huh? From the rest position, the particles are vibrating up and down, right? And the middle point is showing you the maximum vibration, right? Maximum displacement. And that's why it is called amplitude. We got the definition of amplitude, the maximum displacement of vibrating particle from their rest position. I'm writing also that one. You write. The maximum displacement. You should be regular in class and you should take notes. Then we can save our time. That the maximum displacement of vibrating particles from there, and this definition is also sometimes coming, so you should learn this definition. The maximum displacement of vibrating particles from their rest position, it is called amplitude. Okay, in the middle you see the vibration is maximum, we are getting the maximum displacement, that's why it is called amplitude. Did you write, everyone? Hello.
Yes, sir.
The,
Yes, sir.
the
Can you
way
tell the
I
formula
labeled,
wavelength?
you label that way. Look, we got here for one complete wave, we are getting two amplitudes, right? One is from the rest position upwards, another one is from rest position downwards. So you should be very much careful about this. Sometimes they are giving amplitude from up to till here. That is wrong. In MCQ part, then we will get it in very soon, inshallah, after some questions. So you should understand that in a complete wave means one crest and one trough. Yeah. So in one complete wave, we have two amplitudes, right? Do you understand? Hello? Is it clear to everyone? The amplitude is clear to
Yes, sir.
everyone. Then we can go to wavelength. For wavelength, we got three definitions. I think Kazi Zawad was present during the wavelength definition.
Yeah, sir. I think
So,
wavelength I was present.
yeah,
Let me see
crest to
now.
crest, trough to trough. This distance is called wavelength. Also, starting of the wave to the ending of the complete wave. Like in this whole wave, we have two complete waves, right? One crest, one trough. Again, one crest, one trough. So if we are thinking the wave is starting from here, I'm labeling it. Look, here we are starting the wave and we are ending the wave here completely. So here we are getting one complete cycle. So from starting of the wave here to the end of the wave, we are having wavelength that is expressed by lambda. Label it as lambda. Lambda is the symbol of wavelength. Lambda is the symbol of wavelength. Okay. Is it clear? Hello. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So for only crest, for only trough
Yeah.
part, the downward part, they gave you 5. That means crest also have 5 centimeter, right? Isn't it? For the complete wave,
Yes, sir.
we are getting one crest, one trough. So only trough is shown 5 centimeter for the distance traveled. That's why the distance traveled for the crest also, this is 5 centimeter. Okay, that's why it is 5 centimeter plus 5 centimeter. It is 10 centimeter. Wavelength is 10. So our answer is B. I think after this explanation, you can answer any of the questions regarding wavelength. Do you agree? Do you agree, everyone?
Yes. Yes, sir.
So I have one example. I have one proof before you that Muhammad Saad is joining classes every day. He is taking your notes properly. That's why he can answer better than you. So if you also be regular and on time, you are serious about your homework submission, you are doing this homework, all this, then you can also do it, inshallah. Okay, nothing is impossible. And sometimes it is also possible you can do more better than Saad. Do you agree, Saad?
Yes, sir.
Do you agree, Kazi Zawad?
Yes,
Hello.
sir, inshallah.
Sometimes you can also do better than Saad, inshallah. Okay, so
Inshallah.
you try it. Try it.
Why better than Saad, sir, only? You
Yeah,
can do better
better,
than the world record.
inshallah, inshallah. But we should first
Inshallah.
try with our surroundings, then we'll go to the world. Okay, inshallah, you can do. Okay, now question number 3. Question number 3, Kazi Farabi. Kazi Farabi, Kazi Abdullah Farabi. Hello, Farabi is there. Farabi. Hello, Farabi. Keep your microphone on, everyone, so that I can ask you and you can answer promptly. Farabi, read question 3.
An earthquake waves travel through the solid surface of the earth from east to west. The solid vibrates in a north-south direction. How can the earthquake wave can be described?
Okay, so earthquake. They are asking about the earthquake. Everyone, keep your microphone on and you take part in discussion because we only have few students. You all can take part. Faiza, Faiza, hello Faiza, 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 you understood it? The question. Hello Faiza. So from the description, could you understand that is it which kind of wave is it is? Electromagnetic or it is longitudinal? It is sound or it is transverse wave? What kind of wave it is?
So I am sure A or B. And
You are
both are
sure it
like
is B or D?
one. B, A or B. Think
Okay,
so.
so why C is left?
C is a sound.
Okay, you take everything. I told you to choose only one. You are choosing 3.
Not three, sir. A or B. Okay, sir.
You
I think.
choose only one.
So I
C.
don't know. Like A or B.
So you should know first what is called electromagnetic wave. Electromagnetic wave means the one related to light waves. Do you think earthquake is light wave?
No, sir. Then B.
Okay.
Longitude. I think.
Then either it is Bangladesh or Dhaka, right? So
Dhaka is the correct answer.
so it is Dhaka. Why it is Dhaka?
Dhaka.
Before
Because
going to Dhaka or
sir,
Bangladesh,
sir,
you
sir,
have
I
to
want to
know.
explain, sir.
Yeah, you can explain. I know. Before going to Bangladesh or Dhaka, you should know what is longitudinal wave, what is transverse wave. We discussed it in class. We gave the notes. You should have the notes. If you are absent, then you watch. You go through the recordings. From there, you take the notes because for all the things we took long time for explaining. We gave lots of examples. Right, Saad? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So Longitudinal means the particles with the spring. I gave you the example, right? So if the particles vibration is forward backward, eh, with the energy transfer direction, or it is parallel, then it is called longitudinal wave. And if the particles vibration is up and down, or it is perpendicular with each other with the energy transfer direction, then it is transverse wave. Look, they are saying it is going from east to west, right? Travels through east to west, and the vibration is south north. That means one is perpendicular to another one, right? Is it clear to you?
No, sir. This thing is not clear, sir.
Yeah, wave is traveling east west. So you think about from your position east west, it is a line, right? Isn't it? Hello? It is going
Yes, sir. Yeah,
from
yeah.
east, then it is going to west. That means it is going to one direction. The wave is going to one direction, that is west. Then your
Yeah.
vibration of particle is north south. That means west is perpendicular with north south, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
If you make an angle with west and north, either north or south, then you will get 90 degree, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So we can say it is perpendicular, then it is transverse wave.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
All
Now
of
it's clear,
you.
sir.
What about Kazi Zawad? Kazi, Aisha, are you clear about transverse wave?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Faiza, Shafkat.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Shafkat, why you are late again?
স্যার মাত্র একটু আগে ঘুম থেকে উঠছি স্যার।
Aha. Okay. When did you go to bed?
স্যার 2:30।
2:30. So why you are so late to go to bed? Did you offer Fajr prayer?
স্যার টিভি দেখতেছিলাম।
Did you offer Fajr prayer?
না স্যার আজকে করি নাই।
That is your first work. Okay, Fajr prayer is your first priority. You should go to bed early. So continue 4, Shafkat. So this is another question related to amplitude and
The
wavelength. So
diagram
Kazi,
shows the
wait, Kazi Zawad will answer it. Okay. Shafkat is reading and Kazi Zawad will answer. Kazi Zawad, listen clearly, carefully.
okay. The diagram shows the surface of water as a wave passes across the ripple tank, which length represent the amplitude and the wavelength of the wave.
Very simple now. Yeah, Kazi Zawad, tell me the answer. Kazi Zawad, you got the answer? Yes. Have you got the
Sir,
answer?
can you hear?
Now I can hear you. Please tell me the answer.
Yeah, sir, the amplitude is Q and the wavelength is
Very good. Very
P.
good.
A,
Yes.
A, A.
Excellent.
পাগল নাকি?
Excellent. This is
ও আচ্ছা
called
হ্যাঁ
this is called learning. This is called learning. MashaAllah. Thank you so much, Jawad. Look,
Welcome,
you are
sir.
attentive. You learned, then you can apply it, right?
Yes, sir.
So our amplitude is Q and wavelength is P. If I ask you,
Yes, sir.
what is R? What is R?
Right, it is
It is
Ah,
it is it is double the amplitude, right?
oh yes, sir, double that.
Okay, what about S?
Sir, S.
Yes.
Uh, sir, don't know. Yes.
S is half of the wavelength
Oh, yes.
because it is only showing the distance covered by the trough, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
And why R is double the amplitude? Because it's showing the uh, two amplitudes, right? The upward one from the rest position, upward one, and also the downwards one, right? That's why R is double the amplitude. Is it clear? This way you analyze the questions, okay? Because you will get also this way some questions that which one is double the amplitude, which one is half of the wavelength, which one is the double of the wavelength. This way we will get also some questions. Now question number 5. Question number 5. Who is there? Aisha. Aisha, can you read question number 5? Aisha. Aisha. Hello, Aisha. It's taking too long. If I call you, then and there you should respond.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Please
Sorry,
read
sir, the
question 5.
microphone working. Okay,
Keep
sir.
your microphone on always during the
A
class.
wave of frequency 13,000 Hz travels 1,300 minutes in 4 seconds. What is the wavelength of the wave?
Okay, very good. So, wavelength, to find the wavelength, we should know the formula of speed, frequency, and wavelength, right? Do you know the formula? If you
No,
don't
sir.
know, now you write.
The frequency into wavelength. Speed
Yes,
is equal to that one.
speed equals frequency. Write it,
Sir, I
write
think
it
A will
everyone.
be the answer. I
Please
did not calculate, but I think.
write it in your copy everyone. Frequency into wavelength. If you are not writing, tomorrow you will forget. And you will show one, attitude that you are just falling from the sky. You don't know anything. Write it on your
Just like
copy.
crazy hour.
Okay, speed equals frequency into wavelength, right? So your wavelength you have to find, right? Isn't it? This formula we can also write in short. Do you know that? How to write in short?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I am showing you also that one. Also write everyone in symbolic form to make your life easier. V equals F lambda. This way you write. Lambda symbol you learn how to draw, how to write. Okay, is it clear? Now what you are going to find? Wavelength. Then make wavelength as the subject. Here make
F
wavelength as the
divided
subject.
by E.
Wavelength equals V divided by F. Now your F is given, right? Which one is F?
1,300.
Frequency.
What is the value of F? Tell
Oh,
me.
what's a value? Oh, so it's
Oh, 13,000.
13,000.
13,000 hertz.
13,000. Then what is the value of speed? Does speed given
Whether
directly?
sir, 100 meters divided by 4.
Yeah, so speed is not given directly. You have to find it by the formula of speed. What is the formula of speed? V equals d by t, right?
Mhm.
Yeah.
So
Yes,
you
sir.
write it here first, d by t, so that you can recall easily. V equals d by t. Do you understand my writing?
Yes,
Yes,
sir. Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, then you also write in your copy. So V equals d by t. We know d is here 1300 meter and time is given 4 seconds. So you put these values and you get the value of speed. How much is coming? Speed
Page
1300 divided by 4. How much it is?
0.025, I think.
1300 divided by 4.
Sir, it's a 325, sir.
325.
325.
So you write that one first. 325.
The answer is
325. Okay. And here we are having 13,000.
So D is the answer.
go ahead.
Sir, D, D. D, E. Yeah.
Is it?
Kochu, Kochu.
D na to,
You
sir. Oh, A,
listen,
A.
तो
listen.
है तो होना नहीं.
You before going to your answer, you should do the working, my dear. I gave all
Yes,
the
sir.
Sir,
guidance.
D
Working
only.
done.
Sir, the answer
A,
comes
A.
0.025.
Yes, sir. A. Sure.
0.025 and it is meter, right?
Yes, sir.
Length,
Maybe.
wavelength. Wavelength we measure in meters. Okay, done. If you are getting similar question, you can answer, right?
Yes, sir.
If you are getting any question related to V equals F lambda, you can answer, right? What is the symbol of wavelength? What is the symbol of wavelength? Can you tell me all together?
Lambda.
Lambda.
Lambda. Say again.
Lambda.
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 Say again loudly, everyone. You learn it. I'm
Lambda.
writing.
Sir, lambda.
Lambda. Say lambda, everyone. Lambda.
Lambda.
Lambda. Wavelength we are expressing with lambda. It is Greek letter. V equals F lambda. Say all of you together. V equals F lambda.
Lambda.
V equals F lambda. Memorize this, huh? Okay, now we are going to next question.
Sir, the time is finished, I think. Or what?
We have 5 minutes more.
4 minutes.
4
No,
minutes.
4 minutes.
Okay, 4 minutes we can do another question, right? Yeah. Who wants to read?
No, sir.
Who wants to read question 6?
I think it's half cut.
Shafkat wants to read. Shafkat? Yeah, Shafkat, you read. Hello, Shafkat.
Yes, yes, yes. In an experiment using a ripple tank, plane waveforms arrive at a plane surface. Which row correctly describes the waves after they are reflected from the surface?
Yes. So this one is a nice question. In our definition of reflection, you got it is returning to the same medium, right? Isn't it? While you wrote it, Shafkat, did you write it? You were present it. You were present on that day. Did you write the definition of reflection, all this? No, Shafkat.
Uh, I have to check that. I forgot.
Okay, reflection we got is returning to the same medium. So if returning to the same medium, then speed and wavelength will be same. Okay, In
Sir, why, sir?
reflection,
I have a question.
yeah, because in the same medium, the wavelength remains same. But when it is going from a deep region to shallow region, that time the wavelength changes. That's why speed also changes. So we have this formula. Listen, I am giving you some notes. You take these notes. First of all, for the same source of wave frequency, write this note everyone. Frequency is always same. Okay, this information is new for you, that for the same source of wave frequency is always same. But the other things you know, the one you got, that if wave goes to shallow region, if wave goes to shallow region, then wavelength decreases and speed also decreases. Okay, if wave goes to shallow region, then wavelength and speed decrease, wave bends. If wave bends, we say it refracts. That's why we get refraction. But now we are not
Sir, what do you
having
mean by the shallow region, sir?
shallow region, deep region.
Less deep.
Yeah, deep region we discussed when we discussed the refraction. Can you remember that water wave is going from deeper region to shallow region? Shallow means less deeper.
Oh, oh yeah, yeah. List.
Can you remember now?
Yes, sir.
So if you forget again and again, beside shallow you write it less deep. Now it is clear. At that
Yes,
time
sir.
we got refraction and we saw that wavelength and speed both are decreasing. We have this formula already, you got B equals F lambda, right? Isn't it?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So if frequency is same, then wavelength decrease, that means speed also decrease. Now for this medium, the answer is D, reflection. For
Yes, sir.
reflection, it's returning to the same medium, so speed is same, wavelength is same, frequency is always same. You got the explanation?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you so much.